I'm going to try and find an equable triangle. Now, I was just thinking about this. I don't actually know if it is even possible. So you're going to see my thinking around this. So I'm just going to draw myself a triangle to help me. I'm going to think, right, what's the easiest type of triangle I can draw? Well, I could draw a right-angled triangle. Now, like we did when we were doing rectangles, is that I'm going to control one length, one side of it. So I'm going to control this length at the side. I'm just going to call it, I don't know, I'm going to say that's 8 centimeters. And I'll call this length down here, I'm going to take a wild stab. I'm going to try 10 centimeters, okay? I just need to start somewhere. Right, okay, let's have a look. So remember, an equable shape is when the area is the same as the perimeter. So I'm going to work out the area first because that's the easier one to do. So area is equal to, remember, it's half multiplied by the base multiplied by the height. So let's just quickly work that out. So it's a half multiplied by 10 multiplied by 8. So if I work that out, that's going to be 40, and it's an area, so it's centimetres squared. Right, now I'm going to try the perimeter. So let's see what we get for the perimeter. So the perimeter, remember, that's the distance around the outside. So that's going to be 8, add 10, add this bit. But we have the skills to do this because it's just Pythagoras. All right, remember Pythagoras. Square this side. Square this side. Add them together. 164, and then we square root that. Okay, now that was a whole lot of other different work that we did there. So I know I've done that bit sort of quite quickly. So if we do the square root of 164, we get 12.8 and a little bit. I'm just going to write down 12.8. Okay, I'm going to round it off. Okay, 12.8. So the perimeter is equal to 8 plus 10 plus the 12.8. Okay, plus 12.8. So if I add that lot together, what do we get? We get 30.8 centimeters. So they're not quite the same, are they? Okay, looking at that. Okay, so I'm going to think, right, so what shall I try next? Right, I've done that one. Remember, I'm just going to keep searching. I'm going to see if I can find a different one. So let's try and find a different one. So let's draw ourselves another triangle. Now before we did 8 by 10. Right, now I genuinely don't know what's going to happen. I'm just going to be trying some numbers out. So let's try 8 again there, but obviously not 10. Let's try 12. Let's try 12 there and see what happens. Let's see if I get these numbers closer, or maybe they go further away. Maybe I need to work quite a few of these out. Right? So let's work out the area first of all. So remember, the area is equal to half multiplied by the base times the height. So that's equal to 12 times 8. Whoops, I forgot to have a multiplied by a half in there, didn't I? Okay, now if I multiply that together, that comes to 48. It's going to be 48 centimeters squared. Right, okay. Now let's try the perimeter. So remember, we've got to do a little bit more work to get the perimeter. So it's going to be 8 plus 12 plus that other bit. All right. So let's have a look. So what do we do again? We square the 12. We square the 8. We add them together. That's going to be 208. I made a mistake then. And then we square root that answer. Okay, so let's quickly work it out. So the square root of 208, And that equals 14.4. Okay, it's 14.4 in a bit, but I'm not going to worry about the a bit. We'll just write 14.4 there. So if we add that in there, let's see what we get. Plus 12 plus 8, 7 plus equals, what have we got? We've got 34.4 centimetres. So let's just compare our answers, what we've got here. Okay, so on the first one we did, we were about 9 out. Okay, now we made this one a bit bigger, and actually we're a bit further away. Now I just want you to go and try some. Okay, keep exploring. Maybe control this length over here. All right, you can see the ones that I did. I tried 10 there and I tried 12 there. Just keep trying some. Okay, see if you can find, there's the challenge, is to find an equable triangle. All right, that's what you're after. Okay, so RMS out.
If you enjoyed that video, please like and subscribe or leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. I've been RMS Maths and I'll see you next time. Maths out.